Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the factorization of polynomial expression, and this is another type. We have already covered multiple type of factorization method. You can see our playlist in our channel, so you can see like how many types of we have covered. Now we have another type like x plus a, like we have four brackets here and all these are multiplying, and but we have the plus k. So we have to make like a factorize of this expression. So to solve this type of expression, we are solving class 9 in textbook unit 4.3 question number 2. But you can see any other book if you have these type of question because the method is same. So you can apply method, this type of method on all question. So again, we have first we will solve the example number of 2 here. Example 2 is factorize x plus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 3, and x plus 4, and minus 15, right? So now we have to make like factorize. So before factorize, we have to check like which we have to multiply two brackets. So first we have to check like which bracket we have to multiply. So we have here a trick like 1 plus, here we have 1 and here is 4. So his equals to 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5. So it means we have to multiply this bracket and this one. So first we will arrange all these brackets like x plus 1 and x plus 4. Here we have x plus 2, x plus 3, minus 15 is as it is we will. Now we will multiply this bracket x square plus 4x plus x plus 4. Here x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 2 3s are 6 minus 15. Right now we have to add these terms x square 5x plus 4, and here we have x square plus 5x plus 6. So here is minus 15. Why we did this? Uh, we check this type of addition. So because we have to make this terms is common in both factors. So here we have the common. Now we will apply similar method which we already covered in last class. Like we have to assume that x square plus 5x is plus 2t. Put this value inside this one, t plus 4, t plus 6, and then minus 15. Now we have to multiply these terms like t squared plus 6t plus 4t and 6 fours 24. And this one is minus 15. Now we have to simplify this 10t and 24 minus 15 is, we get the answer is 4 minus 15 is 9. So we will get the answer is 9 here. Now we have to make the factor. So 9 ones are 9. So here we have put plus sign both of them because we have to make the 10 and we are using the middle term break method. So we will make this like 9t plus 9 by middle term break method. Now we will simplify. T is common and t plus 9 is remaining plus 1, t plus 9 common. Then we have t plus 9 and t plus 1, right? Now we have to put value of t inside. Now we have check the value of t is x squared plus 5x, which is equals to t. So x squared plus 5x plus 9 and x squared plus 5x plus 1, right? So now we have to, so we will give the reference here is t x squared plus 5x. So these are the factor of this expression, and we will solve. Now further we will solve question number 2 of unit number 3. So question number 2 is similar to this type of question. Question number 2 of unit 4.3, right? So now we will take part 1. part 1 is actually part 1 is similar to above question, so we will skip this question. You can simplify by yourself and tell me the answer of this part in comment box, or if you have any problem to solve this type of this part, so please tell us in the comment box. We will help you or make a short video for that question. So first we will see the part 2. Part 2 is x plus 2 and x plus 3. And here we have x plus 4 and x plus 5. And plus 24 is common. So first we will check like how we can solve this. Now we have here this 2 and 5. If we have 2 plus 5 and this 3 plus 4. So we will get the answer is 7. So it means we have to make the pair of this terms and this one, right? And now we will arrange first x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5. And this term x plus 3 and x plus 4 plus 24, right? Now multiply this term. Acha, here we will give reference by arranging. Okay, now we will multiply x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10, right? And now this is x squared plus 3x plus 4x, 4 3s are 12, and plus 24, right? Now we will simplify further. So x squared plus 7x plus 10, and here we have x squared plus 7x plus 12 and plus 24, right? Now we will assume that let x squared plus 7x equals to t. So we will put t, okay, t plus 10 this one, and t plus 12 this one, plus 24. And now we will multiply t squared plus 12t plus 10t. Now we will simplify like 22t, and this one is okay. Now we have to see like this is using by middle term breaking. I think this is this one, and this one is making a square. So first we will arrange this like t squared plus 144 plus 22t here. So first we have to arrange terms, right? Now we have to make like actually we want to make here is completing square because it cannot be solved through a middle term break. So here we have 22t. So we will assume that this is a and this is b. So this one is t squared plus 2t and 12 plus 12 square. Now we have added this term. So we have to subtract this term as well. So first we will subtract this one minus 2t multiplied by 12, and this one is plus 22t, right? So here we have, okay, here we will give the reference here, adding and subtracting 24t, right? Now we can t squared plus 24t plus 12 square, and this one is minus 2t, right? So we will arrange like this way, t plus 12 whole square minus 2t. Now this cannot be further simplified. So first we will put value of t, value of t, x squared plus 7x plus 12, and this one is 2x squared plus 7x. Now we will simplify this term like x squared plus 7x plus 12 minus 2x squared minus 14x. We will further simplify minus x squared, and this one is minus 7x, and this one is plus 12, right? So first we will take common, minus 1 common, and x squared plus 7x plus, sorry, minus 12 is here. Now we will see like this is can be solved by middle term break or not. 12 and the 12, and after that 4 3 is 12. So here we have plus and plus sign, so we will get the plus 7 is, but here is minus sign, so we cannot further factorize this term. So it cannot be factor of it cannot be factorized factor of this term. So this is the answer of this question. It cannot be further factorized. So now we have question number 3, part 3. is x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, and x minus 4, right? Minus 99. And now we will check like again, like this one, 1 plus 4 is 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So we will make vector arranging this term. So first we will arrange this term like x minus 1, x minus 4, and x minus 2, x minus 3, minus 99, right? And now we will multiply this term x squared minus 5, 4x minus x minus minus plus 4. And this one is x squared minus 3x minus 2x minus minus plus 2 3 the 6 minus 99. This one is x squared minus 5x plus 4. And this one is x squared minus 5x plus 6 minus 99, right? Now again, we will assume that x squared minus 5x equals to t, let's suppose, right? And after that, we will put t plus 4 and t plus 6 and minus 99, right? And after that, we will simplify t squared plus 4t plus 6t, 6 fourths are 24, and now minus 99. So we will simplify t squared plus 10t, and if we minus 99 from 24, we will get 75. So minus 75. Now we will make 75 here, and we have to divide like we have 10 here. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 3. So this is 5 15s are 75. Now we have to make like plus sign here, minus here. So we have t squared plus 15t minus 5t minus 75, right? Now we have to take common t plus 15 minus 5 is common t minus minus plus 5 ones are 5, 5 5 are 25. Again, we have common t plus 15 and t minus 5. Okay, this here we have factoring reference. And now we will put the value of t inside x squared minus 5x value of t plus 15 and x squared minus 5x minus 5 is. So this is the factor of this question, that is. And now we will solve part. Actually, part 4 is similar to part 3, so you can solve by yourself. And now we have part 5. So part 5 is x minus 1 and x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, minus 2024. Now we will arrange like such that first we will check like, okay, now we will simplify part 4. Part 4 is x minus 3, x minus 5, x minus 7, x minus 9, and plus 15. So first we will check like how we can arrange it. This is 3 and this is 5, this 7 and 9. So I think we will 3 plus 9 equal to 5 plus 7 equals to 12, right? So we have to arrange like this way. 5 and 7 and this and this. So here x minus 3 and x minus 9, x minus 5 and x minus 7 plus 15. Now we will multiply x squared minus 9x minus 3x minus minus plus 9 3s are 27, x squared minus 7x minus 5x minus minus plus 5 3s are 35, and this one is plus. Now we will simplify x squared minus 12x plus 27, and this one is x squared minus 12x plus 35, 15 here. Now we will assume that t equals to, let's suppose t equals to x squared minus 12x, right? So here we have to put t plus 27 and t plus 35 and plus 15, right? And now we will simplify t squared, t is a t squared plus 35t plus 27t plus multiply by both term, 27 multiplied by 35, which is 945, and this is 15, right? Now we will simplify t squared plus 35 plus 27, this is 62t, and this one is 945 plus 15, is 960. Okay, now we will multiply 960. So here, if we divide through 30, so we will get 30 multiplied by 32 is 960. So here we have the factor of this term is 30t plus 32. Okay, you can take calculator um, for solving this factor. Like if you divide it by 30, so we will get 32. So now if you add 30 and plus 32, so we'll get the answer is 62. So here, or if you do some practice, so you will see like how you can solve by using middle term break. So t is common here. So here we have t plus 30, and here we have 32 common. So t plus 30 is remaining. Now we have t plus 30 and t plus 32 is remaining. And we will give the reference here factoring this term. So now we will put the value of t is x squared plus, the value of t is x squared minus 12x plus 30, right? And this one is x squared minus 12x plus 32. So this is the factor of this question. I hope you understand this question. Now we have the remaining part 5 and 6. So you can solve by yourself and give the answer in the comment box. If you have faced any problem to solve these questions, so again you can give the comments in comment box. We will make a short video for both questions. So that's it for today. We will meet in next class. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel if you did not subscribe or did not subscribe. If you did not subscribe our channel, so please subscribe and like and share with others so they can learn about these type of factorization. So bye bye. We will meet in next class. Allah Hafiz.